First line, it will assist me if you will make up an itemized list of all the stock we have in the store, full stop. Second line, the list should also state the cost of each item, full stop. Third line, although our costs are high, comma, we have always refused to lessen the value of our service, full stop. Fourth line, honest value assists our firm to keep its customers, comma, and also to secure new buyers, full stop. Fifth line, our silk may be subjected to any test you may wish to make, full stop. Sixth line, we think your first step should be to stop waste as fast as you can, full stop. We suggest adjusting your charges as the next step, full stop. Seventh line, our sales this year already exceed all of our sales for last year, full stop. Eighth line, although you invoiced the steel posts to us last month, comma, we are still having to make do with stone posts, full stop. Ninth line, your failure to get them to us on time has caused a big upset in the schedule, comma, and has cost a large sum of money, full stop. Tenth line, we shall do our best to influence him to cancel the debt, full stop. 11th line, in the past we have used this style of pencil, comma, and we know it will be all right for your purpose, full stop. 12th line, almost all types of stencils have a mark to show when you reach the bottom of the page, full stop.